So normally when unboxing just different components of jobs, different print media, the go-to way appears to be with temps, kind of opening up the box normally, put the knife down, you undo it, of course it's face down, then you kind of have to dig through it. In this situation I'm wearing gloves, even if they're wearing vinyl gloves or anything of that sort, you gotta kind of dig through it, try to find which way they're facing, because they'll change direction in the box. That was one direction out of 4. And you gotta find the other one. Another lid. And so on and so forth. Ultimately, not really that fulfilling, not that lean. So, still doing it. At the end of the day, you go crazy. Obviously, there are more efficient ways to go about doing this. At the end of the day, it's just a box. So, don't let the box be the limit. Let the hands be the limit. In this situation, we thought over a few different methods, and in this situation we decided, why don't we just cut it a slightly different way from where the tape seam is. So, one quicker method we came up with was you cut both edges, and then you cut the tape seam just at the very edge, not across. You can rip off the entire top part and effectively flip over the box without any issues of the flaps getting in the way or anything of that sort, without them spilling everywhere. It just becomes a lot more convenient of a method. In this situation even, it's going to be right side up when all is said and done, and we'll be able to see which way they're facing. Timer, please. So just cut off the top. Sharper razor blade.
And you'll notice with those flaps that the print is protected.
Yes, and in a lot of situations, print is protected by either cardboard or chipboard of some sort. So now you can see we just have these 2 tiny flaps that were on the inside. Sometimes they're a little shorter, sometimes they're a little longer. These ones seem to wrap pretty well. But all we have to do to make this effective is just open them up again, and then you put your arm across. Put your arm there so you don't have the print flying everywhere. Push it down. In this step you can also cut down the box.
Saving time.
Absolutely, very lean, not meaty, no vegan. And then, bam! Got everything facing right way up. You can see which direction they're facing. In this situation, it's facing 4 different directions. So all you have to do is find which direction they're facing, drop them in the box, and you effectively have a much leaner method to go about doing this. No worries about paper cuts, digging your fingers through the box, trying to find which way things are going. Just have good, clean prints. Lean.